Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get a beautiful glowing tanned effect. Not overly tanned, but realistic. Let's make a start. So I'm going to use very few products. So let's make a start. First up, I'm going to be using a primer. And this is by Laura Mercier and it is a radiance primer. And I just want to very lightly, not going to use much because I don't like a lot of product on the skin if it's unnecessary. So next, I'm going to use two foundations. These are by MAC and they're face and body. I'm going to use one that's my skin tone and blend one together that's a bit deeper. So the first thing is I'm going to take a little amount and I'm just going to place this on my face and then blend it in with a brush. So I'm just going to sweep this over the skin with a brush to even out the skin tone. MAC Face and Body is a very sheer foundation. It looks like skin and you know when it's applied correctly because as you move down the face with a brush, you get this drag effect, which is when it's setting. That's enough for me. So now we're going to do two things. We're going to take the deeper shade and I'm just going to apply a little drop and then I'm going to blend that with my shade of foundation and mix them together in the back of my hand and it will create this slightly deeper tone. I'm now going to pat that onto the sides of my temples, the bridge of my nose and the upper parts of my cheekbone. Then I'm going to take my brush and I'm going to blend this in and I'm blending it in a downward motion here. So I'm just trying to create a little bit of contrast to that outside corner. Blend it in and blend it down. And anything left on the brush, I'm just going to lightly just take it down the neck, just so it blends in well. A little bit on the chin. So the skin is looking really, really good at the moment. Now we're going to take a blusher. This is a lovely cream blusher, and we're going to hit this on the exact same points that we applied that deeper shade. We want them right here because they're going to blend in together well and a tiny bit on the sides of the neck. Now you're going to take a brush and just blend this in and you're just going to buff this into that slightly deeper shade and this is what's going to give you that really realistic glow. Don't forget the nose, blend it down and to the sides. And if you want to be really fancy, take your foundation brush and just very lightly just go over everything to ensure smoothness. Now before we finish off, I'm going to take a powder puff and a lighter shade of pressed powder. And I'm just going to dip it onto a powder puff and then I'm just going to set the inner portions or the T-zone area of the face to take away the shine, but also add that slight lightness to the inner portion so that the rest of the face has more contrast. And I almost forgot to blend down my neck with those two dots of blusher. Can't believe I forgot. Now the only thing left to do is add a small amount of contrast, and this is with the eyelashes, so I'm just going to apply a coat of mascara just to complete the look. And that's it. The skin looks real. It looks healthy. It looks like I've been outside, but it isn't overly tanned. It's just glowing. And that is all you want from this look. It looks real. And yes, this makeup is now ready to go anywhere else you want. Leave it like this or take it a little further. Do some eyeshadow, do some lips, do whatever you want, but you're good to go. Beautiful, summery look that looks real. Thanks for watching, my beautiful, beautiful friends, and I'll see you all soon. Bye-bye.